Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change out the D-pad and the thumbstick caps on your Victrix Pro BFG controller. This is really easy to do. All you have to do is lift up on the thumbstick and then you can replace it. And then you can place in a new one. So sometimes I might like the rounded one on, so this is kind of hard to get out. All I have to do is snap it on just like this and it should fit. So just align it and then let's see. It will only go a certain way, so you have to look. It looks like it's going up and down. Boom. Then with the D-pad, all you have to do is lift up. And this will only go in a certain way too. So I think this is my favorite one out of them all. So pick your D-pad, snap it on. It only goes in one specific way. And then you should be good to go. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.